That heavy-eyed, foggy feeling around 2 or 3 in the afternoon is not always because you need another coffee. A natural afternoon dip can happen, but what you eat earlier in the day may make it much stronger. A lunch dominated by refined carbohydrates, added sugar, and very little protein or fiber can leave you hungry, distracted, and searching for quick energy only a few hours later. The good news is that everyday foods can help you build meals that feel much more stable. In this video, you will discover 10 foods that provide useful combinations of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and slower digesting carbohydrates. Used the right way, they can help you stay satisfied, support steady energy, and make that familiar afternoon slump much easier to manage. Protein that lasts. Eggs are an easy way to make breakfast or lunch more satisfying because they provide high-quality protein along with fats and several important nutrients. Protein takes longer to digest than refined carbohydrates, so including eggs in a balanced meal can help reduce the rapid return of hunger that often sends you toward sugary snacks before the afternoon is over. Eggs become even more useful when you build the rest of the plate carefully. Pair them with vegetables, avocado, or whole grain toast, instead of relying on white bread, sugary sauces, or sweet breakfast pastries. This combination gives you protein, fiber, healthy fat, and slower carbohydrates together, helping the meal feel more balanced and supporting steadier energy afterward. Preparation also matters. Eggs can be boiled ahead of time, added to a vegetable bowl, served with a salad, or kept simple with whole foods around them. You do not need a huge meal to benefit. The goal is to use eggs as a protein anchor, so the rest of the meal can support fullness and energy instead of creating a short burst followed by another strong craving. Slow fuel, fewer cravings. Oats provide carbohydrates together with soluble fiber, including beta-glucan, which helps slow digestion and makes a meal more satisfying. Instead of delivering energy with almost no fiber, as many sugary breakfast foods do, oats provide a steadier combination that can help carry you through the morning without feeling desperate for another snack soon after eating. The biggest mistake is turning oatmeal into dessert. Large amounts of brown sugar, syrup, chocolate, or sweetened toppings can transform a useful breakfast into another sugar-heavy meal. Instead, add berries, cinnamon, chia seeds, or a small spoonful of nut butter. These additions improve flavor while also bringing more fiber, healthy fats, and nutrients to the bowl. For even more staying power, combine oats with protein. Stir in plain Greek yogurt after cooking, prepare overnight oats with yogurt and chia, or enjoy eggs on the side. Carbohydrates can help supply energy, but protein and fiber make the meal much more complete. This is especially useful on busy mornings when you want breakfast to carry you comfortably toward lunchtime. Creamy protein. Steady focus. Plain Greek yogurt is a convenient source of protein along with natural carbohydrates and minerals. Its higher protein content makes it more satisfying than many sweet snack foods, which can be helpful when your energy begins fading between meals. A protein-rich snack may help control hunger so you are less tempted to chase quick energy from candy or pastries. Plain yogurt is usually the better starting point, because flavored varieties can contain significant added sugar. You can create sweetness yourself with blueberries, strawberries, or sliced banana, then add chopped almonds or chia seeds. The result gives you protein, natural carbohydrates, fiber, and healthy fats in one bowl without depending on a heavily sweetened product. Greek yogurt can also make a useful afternoon snack because it requires almost no preparation. Keep a plain cup available and add fruit when hunger starts building rather than waiting until you are starving. When appetite becomes extreme, sugary options become much harder to resist. A simple protein-based snack can help you reach dinner with better control and more consistent energy. Quick energy, smarter balance. Bananas provide natural carbohydrates that the body can use readily for energy, along with potassium and vitamin B6. Their portability makes them especially useful before activity, during a busy morning, or when you need something simple between meals. However, when you are very hungry, a banana alone may not provide enough staying power for several hours. To make banana energy last longer, pair it with a food that provides protein or healthy fat. Peanut butter, almonds, or plain Greek yogurt all work well. The banana supplies carbohydrates, while the second food makes the snack more satisfying. Together, they create a much stronger option than eating something sweet that provides plenty of sugar but very little protein or fiber. Bananas are also useful because they fit naturally into other balanced foods. Slice one into oats, blend half into an unsweetened yogurt smoothie, or eat it with a handful of nuts. These combinations give you convenience without relying on an energy drink or pastry. The aim is not to avoid carbohydrates, but to combine them wisely so the energy they provide feels more controlled and useful. Healthy fats, portable fuel. Almonds offer protein, fiber, magnesium, and unsaturated fats in a small, convenient package. Because they are energy-dense and digest more slowly than many sugary snacks, a modest serving can help calm hunger without the rapid rise and fall associated with candy or sweet pastries. They are especially useful when you need something easy to keep nearby. Portion size matters because almonds pack a lot of energy into a small amount of food. A small handful is usually enough for a practical snack. If you want more immediate carbohydrate as well, combine almonds with an apple, orange, or banana. Fruit provides natural carbohydrate and water, while almonds contribute protein, fiber, and fat, making the combination more complete. Keeping almonds available can also protect you from poor decisions when the day becomes hectic. If you wait until extreme hunger hits, vending machine foods and pastries become much more tempting. A small container in your desk, bag, or car gives you a simple backup option. Pairing preparation with good food choices often matters just as much as knowing which foods are healthy. Natural sweetness with fiber. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and other berries provide carbohydrates along with water, fiber, vitamin C, and colorful plant compounds. Their fiber makes whole berries very different from sugary drinks or candy. When you want something sweet, berries can satisfy that taste while bringing nutrients and volume that highly processed sweets usually do not provide. Berries become much more satisfying when you combine them with protein. Add them to plain Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, oats, or a chia pudding. This creates a snack that offers natural sweetness without relying on large amounts of added sugar. Protein and fiber help the food stay with you longer, which can reduce the chance that another strong hunger wave appears shortly afterward. Frozen berries can be just as practical when fresh berries are expensive or unavailable. Keep a bag in the freezer and add a portion to oats or smoothies without sweetened juice. This gives you an easy way to improve breakfast or snacks with almost no preparation. Convenience matters because the healthiest food in the world cannot help much if it is too difficult to use consistently. Fiber-rich, long-lasting fuel. Lentils provide complex carbohydrates, plant protein, and plenty of fiber in the same food. This combination makes them especially useful for lunch because they digest gradually and can help you stay satisfied for hours. If your usual lunch leaves you hunting for snacks halfway through the afternoon, lentils can help make the meal much more substantial. Lentils are also easy to build into a balanced meal. Add them to vegetable soup, toss them into a salad, or use them as the base of a grain bowl with vegetables and olive oil. Because lentils already provide both protein and carbohydrate, they make a strong foundation. You can then add vegetables and healthy fat to increase volume, flavor, and satisfaction without making lunch excessively heavy. Another advantage is that lentils can be cooked ahead and stored for several meals. Preparing a batch means you can assemble lunch quickly instead of depending on whatever refined convenience food is nearby. This small habit can make a big difference during a busy week. Stable energy is often less about finding a miracle food and more about making balanced choices easier to repeat. Slow carbs, satisfying energy. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, potassium, and beta-carotene while still tasting naturally sweet. They can be a useful alternative to heavily refined carbohydrate side dishes because they bring more nutrients and fiber to the plate. When eaten in a balanced portion, they can help provide the carbohydrate your body uses for everyday energy. The best results come when sweet potato is paired with protein and vegetables. Combine roasted sweet potato with chicken, eggs, lentils, or a yogurt-based sauce, then add plenty of colorful vegetables. Keeping the skin on provides extra fiber when you enjoy it that way. The combination gives you carbohydrates, protein, fiber, and volume instead of an oversized plate dominated by refined starch. Cooking method can keep the meal simple and useful. Roast sweet potato cubes, bake one whole, or prepare several portions in advance for the week. Avoid drowning them in sugary sauces or turning them into a dessert-style side dish. Their natural sweetness is usually enough. Prepared simply, sweet potatoes can become an easy carbohydrate foundation for lunches that feel both satisfying and energizing. Tiny seeds. Serious staying power. Chia seeds provide large amounts of fiber for their size, along with healthy fats and plant-based nutrients. When they absorb liquid, they develop a thick gel-like texture. That fiber-rich structure can help make meals and snacks more satisfying, which is why even a small amount of chia can noticeably improve the staying power of foods such as yogurt or oats. Chia is also extremely easy to use. Stir a tablespoon or two into oatmeal, add it to plain Greek yogurt, blend it into an unsweetened smoothie, or make chia pudding with milk and fruit. You do not need a huge quantity. A modest amount can add texture and fiber while fitting naturally into foods you may already eat, making it one of the simplest upgrades on this list. Because chia is concentrated in fiber, increase your intake gradually and remember to drink enough fluids. More is not always better, especially if your usual diet is low in fiber. The purpose is simply to make a meal more satisfying and balanced. Used sensibly, chia can support a slower, steadier eating pattern that helps prevent intense hunger from suddenly appearing later in the day. Complete fuel, balanced energy. Quinoa provides complex carbohydrates, fiber, magnesium, and more protein than many common refined grain side dishes. It also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a useful plant-based food. At lunch, quinoa can provide the carbohydrates your brain and muscles use for energy, while also contributing more fiber and protein than many refined options. Quinoa works best as part of a complete bowl rather than as a giant serving by itself. Add vegetables, chickpeas, lentils, eggs, chicken, or another protein source, then include a small amount of olive oil or avocado. This gives you carbohydrate, protein, fiber, and healthy fat together, creating a meal designed for satisfaction instead of a large, refined carb lunch that leaves you sluggish. Quinoa can also be prepared in advance, which makes balanced lunches easier during busy work weeks. Cook a batch, refrigerate portions, and combine them with different vegetables and proteins throughout the week. Changing the toppings keeps meals interesting while the basic structure stays balanced. When healthy food is already available, you are far less likely to rely on whatever quick option happens to be closest. The afternoon crash is rarely fixed by one magical food. A stronger strategy is to build meals around protein, fiber, slower digesting carbohydrates, healthy fats, and enough water while avoiding the pattern of skipping meals, and then trying to rescue your energy with sugar. Sleep, hydration, movement, and meal size matter too, so think of these foods as pieces of a larger energy-supporting routine. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 10 foods already helps you stay energized, and which one will you try this week? Your answer may give another viewer a simple place to begin. And if this video helped you understand how to build more stable energy throughout the day, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more practical nutrition strategies that support a stronger, healthier body.